Hello guys, how you doing today? Quickly, I'm going to teach us today how to scrape keywords from Nairaland.com. For example, for Nigerians, you might want to target some of these keywords that forums are ranking for. So, and one of the most popular forums in Nigeria is Nairaland, ranking for tons of keywords. According to SEMrush, they are having about 2.7 million visits every month, right? So we want to know how we can take out some of this keyword and write about them. So let me assume that probably I have a website that talk about cars and I want to get these forum keywords because forum keywords are quite easier to rank for, especially when you have a top-notch content or article. So in this case, I would want to teach us how to scrape these keywords because forum keywords are actually low competition in some senses. In some of my websites, I think I've been able to outrank forums for their keywords. So let's dive straight in. So you can use SEMrush, you can use SimilarWeb, you can use Ahrefs, you can use Ubersuggest, almost the same technique. But this one I'm using SEMrush and it's paid, not free. So I'll click on this organic search traffic. I'll click on it and I'll wait for it to load. So I'm assuming that I have a website on cars. So I want to know how I can get some of the keywords that talks about cars that this Nairaland is ranking for. So I'm just going to wait for this thing to load because I think my internet connection is okay. My internet connection is not that strong this evening. All right. Okay. What I will do is I will filter. These are the keywords that they are ranking for. You can actually start up a niche. Some is ranking for Yoruba drums, even snippets, picture of Joseph Prince house. So we're talking about cars. I'm just going to think the network. Okay, the network is coming up. Please bear with me. Network is coming up. I'll just have to wait for it to load or switch router. I think I will just switch router. So I'll just put in cars here. Yeah, I want to scrape every keyword that talks about cars that SEMrush is ranking for. And you can see above, you can select, you see SEMrush has 307, I'm sorry, Nairaland has 375,000 keywords ranking in the US and about 50,000 keywords ranking in Nigeria. These are estimates, not this thing. Okay, now look what we found here. Um, what does D1, D2, D3 mean in cars? Nairaland I think they have some step features here. Maybe they are ranking for this query now. They are ranking on Google. People also ask, and they are according to their position. They have a good position and a good low keyword. Jack cars good, Osimhen cars, Ayastar cars. For those guys that talks about net worth and biography. These are your keywords, Ayastar cars and all those stuff. So here I get to filter every keyword on Nairaland that talks about cars. So here I can set my position here. I want SEMrush to just give me keywords that Nairaland are ranking for from 0 to 20. That is from position 0 to position 20 on Google. So I want to filter the keywords that SEMrush are ranking from number 1 to number 20 on Google first page. So I'll just put to apply. I'm not going to put keyword difficulty. I'm just going to take out the keywords. Good. So I have 65 keywords that talks about cars which Nairalands are ranking for. Okay, you can still trim this down depending on what you're looking for actually. You can still, why are white cars cheaper? Somebody is trying to know why white cars are cheaper. So, and it's actually number what? 8. So then after you've gotten your keyword, You can filter by search volume, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter in some sense. You can filter by keyword difficulty, still it doesn't matter. You are trying to get keywords from nairaland.com. So therefore, if I feel that I'm okay with this keyword, I'll just click on export and export all. Once I click, it will automatically download this keyword on an Excel sheet where I can use it to write my articles and outrank Nairaland. I hope you grab a thing or two from this tutorial. God bless you. Let's keep grinding and winning. Thank you.